This is my son Anshuman, who is very hyperactive child. He has the unique ability of reading books. He is a voracious reader. Since he reads lots of books, he has a lot of questions. He keeps on questioning, so he gets answered through oral. But after coming to Kota, I found Intelli Brain, where the children are taught with the practical based method. In Intelli Brain, his imagination was nurtured. He had 101 questions at every moment of the topic what he learned. The teachers get each and every resource material, make the child to learn practically. So this enhances their creative skills. So they can also imagine beyond their imagination. So Intelli Brain has nurtured his imagination. The first session, I saw him coming out with a lot of joy. I just asked him, why, what's the reason, why you're so happy? So he said, Mom, always you are answering my queries with oral, but today in Intelli Brain, my teachers taught me everything practically. So today I could feel, touch, innovative. It was very innovative, like it was very joyful. So he was very happy and I was moved by his happiness. Intelli Brain program is designed in such a way according to the child's age. The child is taught the practically. It could be like science. In science, it could be physics, chemistry, or biology, or in mathematics. When it comes to the languages also, the skit, the drama, the role, and this language learning also enhanced his ability for anchoring also. The progress of my child after he joining Intelli Brain, it was miraculous. It was overwhelming. It is the kudos of the teachers' efforts which has shaped my child. After making my child to join to Intelli Brain, I can find the overall development of my child. Intelli Brain has helped my child to shape him very well. Now Anshuman is an all-rounder. Apart from learning skills, he has developed public speaking, he has developed the interest in cooking, sports, whatever sports he wants to know, he knows the facts and figures of it. He plays, he enjoys, they dance, they giggle, they laugh, they learn. So it is a fun-filled activity, that is Intelli Brain, which has nurtured my child to the high extent and made him all-rounder.
I learned many things from Intelli Brain and I could explain everything to my mother what I learned. And when I would learn anything, if I had any doubts, I had my teachers to clarify them all. There were many sessions which were very interesting. So it was an amazing experience to my Intelli Brain journey and I would like to continue it for the next year.
Intelli Brain is innovative, creative and educative.